If you want to turn text into video content quickly, Pictory and Invideo are two of the most popular tools. But which one's better for you? Pictory specializes in AI generated videos from scripts, blog posts, or articles. Just paste your text and it automatically selects stock clips, adds subtitles, and syncs voiceovers. It's perfect for faceless YouTube content, tutorials, and explainer videos. InVideo is more versatile and template heavy. It offers both AI tools and manual editing with more control. You can start with text to video, but also create from scratch using drag and drop animations and layered effects. It's ideal if you want more visual customization and brand control. For speed and automation, Pictory is simpler and more hands off. For creativity and flexibility, InVideo gives you more tools and polish. Pictory is best for content creators who need fast, consistent videos. InVideo is better for marketers and editors who want visual control.